Hi, welcome back to Rosa's Beauty Fashion. Okay, so this is going to be a little bit of a different video today, but first of all, I want to welcome all my new subscribers, and I want to thank all my loyal and faithful subscribers that have been with me for so long and that comment and watch my videos. I appreciate each and every one of you. Okay, so if you want to see what I have to share, then just keep watching. Okay, so, all right, so this is kind of a funny story, but first of all, I want to share this real quick because I didn't want to make a separate video on this, and I just want to thank somebody. Oh, sorry for the bending. I'm always dropping something. Okay, so I wanted to thank Kimberly. And she sent me actually an Easter card. It was so beautiful. I know a lot of you know her. She's just a very wonderful person, very kind person, very loving person. And yeah, she sent me a beautiful Easter card. I thought that was so pretty. And I'm really not going to read it because I always say my cards are always personal, you know. But the thing of it is, she also sent me a Starbucks card. Okay. And it says, thanks. This one's on me. And this is the second time she has sent me this, okay? So thank you so much, Kimberly. I appreciate it. I always say that I am not lucky, I am blessed, okay? So thank you so much. Love you. Okay, so now let's get on to this. Okay, so now this is a funny story kind of, okay? So me and my friend, bestie, there she is. Okay. Oh, now we talked about we were going to swap Christmas gifts. Okay, so we're gonna swap Christmas gifts, you know, and you know, the da-da-da-da, and like we always look out for each other, like Dollar Tree and stuff. Like if I can't find something, you know, she'll try to find it for me, and vice versa. Okay, so this started at Christmas time. This is so funny. So, anyways, make a long story short, I just got the box 2 weeks ago. Okay. She still hasn't got the box for me, okay? It's just so funny because, I mean, I'm always on a late show. You know, she's on the late show. So, but anyways, that's the story. so then it's so funny because she sent me a Valentine card, okay? And her birthday is actually the 24th of April, which you probably will get this after her birthday, this video. But so, you know what? This will be your birthday gift, Stacy, okay? I'll get you a birthday card. Forget Christmas, forget Valentine's Day, forget Easter. Okay, so yeah, I just thought it was such a funny, cute story, but you know, so yeah, so all right, so let me get started on this, you know, jibber jabber, but I had to tell you that real quick. Okay, so she bought me a lot of the Kiss brand nail polishes. Okay, now I already do have almost all of them except for 4 of them. Okay, but I will show them to you real quick, and yeah, I'll put the names right down there like I always do. You know how we roll on this channel without the glasses. Okay, so I'm going to show you everything she got me. Oh my gosh. Here's the box, right? Yeah, Valentine's Day, see? It's so funny. It cracks me up. It just cracks me up. So, and it says Rosa, and I probably can't see it. But yeah, I'm not going to read the card, but she has these, it says to a wonderful friend, she has these really cute little owls on there. She knows I love owls, and lips of course is my favorite thing, but owls too. I love owls. I collect owls. Okay, so here we go. Okay, I think I have almost every Kiss polish from the Dollar Tree because I love them all. I collected the winter collection, the spring, and you know, I was collecting them all, but there's some of them I didn't think I had, so she was collecting them for me. But anyways, here's the first one. Okay, very pretty. Like I said, the names will be down there. This is the second one. Now, these are the ones she sent me. And these ones I'm showing you right now, I do have. This is a really pretty glitter one. And this one. But it's okay because, hey, I can always use more, and my daughter can also use them, you know, so I love this color for winter. And this is a pretty, like a peach, really very pretty peach color. And like a blue. And a pink. Okay, so those are the ones she sent me. Now, these 4 I'm getting ready to show you, I don't have, okay? She picked me this up around Christmas time. This was a beautiful red. It was like a shimmerish red. You probably can't see it, but it's gorgeous. And I never could find that, so she picked me up that. Thank you, doll. I appreciate it. Okay, so I don't have that one. And this is funny. She picked me up this one. And a matter of fact, I have it on my nails today. I just picked this one up, like, I think last week. Yeah, I have a Dollar Tree haul coming for you guys. But, yeah, isn't it gorgeous? But I did just pick this up. I didn't know that she sent that to me. And then this one, this pink one. And then this was another really pretty red one. I just love these polishes. Kiss gel polishes from Dollar Tree. Gotta go get them. Okay, and then I really like, this is an LA Color nail polish. And you know what? It's like a clear, but it has the glitters in it. And I could never find this one. So she found it for me, so she picked that up. So yeah, so isn't that really nice of her, right? Okay, so let me show you what else she sent me. Okay, I kind of already unwrapped everything because, you know, just the sake of the video too. Okay, she sent me these Sephora masks, okay? I absolutely love these masks, okay? I love masks, period, because I love to take care of my skin, you know? So this is a sleeping mask, okay? So that, I love them. You can put them on at night and then go to sleep. Yeah, I love that. Rose sleeping mask. What was this one? I don't know. Okay. And this is Orchid sleeping mask. Okay, so she got me 3 sleeping masks, okay, which I love. And then she got me lip balm in strawberry. Okay. But she said I could give these to my daughter, actually. And then the lemon, because she wanted to make sure she sent to me or something, which I thought was so nice of her. That was so nice. Okay, and then, this is funny. Then she sent me the owl, and I do have a lot of these, but like I said, this was a while back when we were hunting down for the owls, okay? So yeah, it's like I said, this is funny. Okay, and then she sent me a Bolero body cream. Okay. I don't have this one, so yeah. This smells really good. This really smells good. I don't have that. I have a lot of the Boleros, but I don't have that one. Okay, and then she sent me these really cute owl stickers. They're really cute. Okay, and then she sent me, oh, this is so cute, with the flamingo. Some more stickers. Isn't that cute? And this is totally me all the way. All the way. The lips, lipstick, shoes. Oh my gosh, what does that say? Girl power. So that is me, totally. And then this is like a little makeup bag. Isn't that cute? It has owls on it. Yeah, I thought that was so cute too. It has owls on both sides. Okay, and this is amazing right here. Wait till you see this. This is really, really nice. This says, always think pretty thoughts. Look at this. It's like, it's a notebook. Yeah, with all the lips on it. Yeah, everybody knows I'm a lip queen on YouTube, I swear. I mean, I'm not the only one that likes lips, but it's just, you know, paper, so like you can journal, whatever. I really like it a lot. It has lips on both sides, and I absolutely love it. Okay, so, all right, so that was that. So this is the final thing that she sent me. I'm sure that you guys are seeing the picture, but like I said, people think of me, when they see lips, they think of me. Seriously, I've had so many YouTubers say, oh my gosh, Rosa, I think of you when I see lips. She sent me this gorgeous picture. Look at this, right? This is so me, right? Yeah, look at that. It is gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. It's gold glitter lips on it. Yes, I absolutely love it, doll. It's so pretty. It's so me. Yeah, so that is what she sent me. Can you believe it? I can't believe it. I cannot believe it. She had to send this in 2 separate packages, okay? Yeah. So anyways, Stacy, I will be getting your package out as soon as possible here. And now we're still adding things to her box, you know. Like I said, her birthday is next week, but you'll probably get this video next week, so her birthday will be over with. So I want to try to get this to her for her birthday. Forget Christmas, right? So maybe we'll try again for next year. All right. Okay, so that's it. I love you all so much. I want to thank you all for watching and tuning in to watch my videos. I really appreciate everything you do. Okay, and remember, stay positive, healthy, keep your faith. You cannot go wrong. And I love you all so much. And I will see you all in my next video. Bye-bye.